To Reagan News TV, the Harlem News and Internet channel. My name is Uday Kaiping, the chief editor of Reagan News TV, the Harlem News and Entertainment channel. Today I have come here, Deleka, to do DEPA voting center under 23 Ompinagar Assembly constituency. Today we will ask the people of this locality. People they have come many places from different parties. They have come for here casting their vote, their own choice, whichever party they like. They are voting, they are casting their vote. So we will ask some of the ground report, what people are saying. Either there is any, it happened since morning, any incident or not. We will ask some of the opinions, what people are saying. So let me ask from the beginning here. Ông example so ông ni jigata nan hongtho tini phong simi casting what choli tongmani tini to 12 tarik TTADC general elections nong ni o eleka phong simi aro choli tongmani o bo vote center bo under constituency kalai abo nang kisa saikhanar de jongno
sini abo 23 nong Ampinagar kendra booth center nglai 16 aro tini phungni simina booth kaham kleina cholika aro ba kunu walai soklai krei ekdam shanti priya babina जों booth kaham kleina cholai tonglai
aro o center o tam party aro markha relekha ro
sini aro ba puila tongo Tripramotha BJP IPFT INC tai RLD borok khung joto milamise klaina booth rui kasang klai paini digi जों थांगि tonglai uta prai phungni simna 30% rok booth klai khina orobo
kuno problem to kore ble
oro kuno problem koroi
Oke, apa tini to election choli tong sara Tripura na DC area. Oke, nung wan sok mani. Bo party nung ban so nung khok di kunia mane bo party nung wan sok mani applying nai. Ut DC election ni. Taru phai nai 17 to result lang nai. Apurno direct bijoy misil chol nai ji ko kanai applying nai. Ya abu kis sai kanar de.
Ani confidence to ang je saimamani mate to oro prai RLD no jidene nei khasungo karon je sinai nuk nai bo RLD no bud dinai je sierok to borok to bud rigulak karon khlai borok boniu RLD ni boni mormo se saimi angla borok bahai clear nai
Haipan taklai o center le o RLD no
RLD oro prai mutamuti 100% asa klai uta
Oke RLD ni full form tamo
RLD इंगा हमारे राष्ट्रीय लोक दल अब कैसे नेशनल पार्टी
अब कताल दा के कचाम
अब आगे निसिमिनो कसाम कारण आइपना त्रिपुरा तो फाइमनि कताल न सिनि अर्नि हालाम रंग तै भयो बरक न आगे नि RLD नि प्राइम मिनिस्टर नैबो तंगो चौधरी चरण सिंह इंजागो बनि आगे नि प्राइम मिनिस्टर हंगलाय बनि नाहार मुंग का हंगलाय ओ किसान रक न उन्नति खलायनानि tai farmer rok no developing khlainani boni wansuk mungta abo tai je sikla sikli rok borok no develop khlaiti sinani je chugya rok no bo develop khlaiti sinani bagai bo onek chaito goi tongta
oka hambai tai bui bo sangnai bo tai bonong borni respond abo asuk jarano ang sidong abo en ta hame